You're watching Tammy B. Jones, where if you don't want to buy it, then just DIY it with your home inspire. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have been invited to do a collab by Marandah from Creative Living, and we also Hannah from Hannah's Daily Life. Marandah reached out to me and said that they were doing a Dollar Tree Centerpiece DIY and wanted to know if I would like to participate. And of course I said yes, because it's a great challenge. I wanted to challenge myself to do something. I've never created a centerpiece, and I wanted to do something that was Pinterest worthy. I searched and searched for ideas, but I wanted to do something different. So I couldn't find anything to inspire me on Pinterest. So I just ran at the last minute, the day before You Can Ask Marandah, and I grabbed some items from the Dollar Tree, and this is what I grabbed. I spent about $19 on Floral, the sponge, the wire, the bowls, the candle holder. But that one little glass, I'm going to use it as a base. It came from Goodwill. I've had it in my drawer for over a year, so I thought I would use it as well. So I needed also wire cutters, the glue gun, tape, painter's tape, some spray, and that's Rust-Oleum, and the color is Heirloom White. And these two bases in the back, the candle holders, I actually made those a year ago, and I never shared them with you guys, but they're made with Dollar Tree products as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take all these items here outside and I'm going to paint them. And I want to paint this bowl inside instead of on the outside. The reason why I'm doing painting on the inside is because I wanted to have a really nice glossy shine on the outside, and I'm going to do the same thing for the bowl, for the base, because I think when it's shining inside out, it looks like it's store-bought instead of sprayed. So, but the only thing I'm going to spray on the outside is this bowl here, because I'm using live candles inside of it, so I don't want it to catch fire from the spray. And I'm also going to trim off the top so I won't have paint close to the flame of the candle. So I did the top, and I was like, why not get creative, right? So I decided to just tape it off. No particular design in mind, just doing something to be busy, you guys. And or you know, sometimes you just don't know when to quit. Well, this is that moment. So I just decided to just tape off the base. And I'm going to take these outside and spray them. I won't share that part with you because you've seen many videos with lots of spray paints, and this is what it looked like after I spray painted it. See how pretty that look on the outside and shiny just from painting it from the inside. And now I won't be scratching up my paint as I manipulate it on the outside. And see how dull it looks when you paint the inside of the bowl? Now when you look on the outside, look how shiny. Now what if I would have painted it on the outside? Then it would have looked dull too. So that's what I mean by painting the inside of the glass or the inside of the plastic. So I'm taking the floral sponge, adding some glue to just the corners, and inserting it in the center, just like so. And I'm gonna eventually glue this bowl to the top and glue the base to the bottom of the bowl. And this is what we're gonna be working with as our centerpiece project. As you can see in the back, I've already used some floral wire to wrap around those candlesticks just to add an extra little glam to it. And that's what we're gonna use to glam this up. I, again, wanted something Pinterest worthy, and this has never been done on Pinterest. So you guys, here's the floral wire that I'm going to be using, and what I'm going to do is just glue the tip of the wire and stick it to the base of this bowl that I created. So make sure you don't touch that. It's pretty hot, so I grabbed a little stick to help me kind of press down the wire, and I use my wire cutters to clip it. See the stick? I'm using the stick to kind of help blend the wire to the bowl, make sure it's flush. And I'm going to do this again 2 more times. Now I speeded this video up on purpose because I don't want to bore you with slow details on how to make something and draw this video out for 30 to 50 minutes long, because it would have been that way. So now I'm just adding some of the wire around the center. That's why I didn't bother about painting the center, because I knew I was going to be covering it and I wanted that glass crystal look to appear underneath. And I'm also going to go around the bottom of the vase and trim it as well. You'll probably never see this when the vase is turned upside down, but I can. I know it's there, and I wanted it to look expensive. I'm just holding it to dry right now, you guys, and I'm gonna snip it with my wire cutters. These are some heavy duty um, for heavier wires. So together, I'm just pressing down the wire, making sure sharp edges are down. And now I'm gonna do the same to the lip of the bowl. You guys, I am loving working with this wire. It's so soft and easy to manipulate. I wish I would have noticed that little groove right there being a little crooked, but it's okay. You don't never notice those things till you're off camera and the video is finished. I absolutely love this. It looks store-bought, you guys. I think it's gorgeous. So now I'm taking what's left of the wire and I'm gonna wrap it around the two candle holders. I wasn't quite sure where I was gonna go with it, but I did want to make it look like the base of my vase. So the base of my vase has 3 rings. I'm doing 4 on this one and I'm spacing them apart. And all I'm doing is gluing the tip and the end. So the rest can be free to move. Now that I've done the 2, I'm going ahead and tearing off these grassy leaves from the eggs, and I'm putting 1 on each corner, and then what's left over I will go in and insert in the middle between each corner, giving me 6 grassy stems draping from my vase. I apologize that you cannot see this DIY right here. At that moment I did not realize that I was off center from the camera, and I apologize. These wire cutters rip right through the floral and they cut amazing. Only thing I'm doing right now is just going around, you see, and I've glued the bowl down, and I'm going to continue to add my flowers around the centerpiece, which is the bowl where I'm going to put the candle at. These flowers here are my favorite because I love the long 1-stem limb. It gave lots of greenery and it just had that special finishing touch to the floral arrangement. And with the red in the center, it gave it some color. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so my grassy stems are kind of looking a little bit wild. So I'm gonna go through and kind of curve them with my hand, bend them a little bit to manipulate them so they can kind of drape around the bowl. This has turned out so gorgeous. I'm absolutely loving it, but we're not gonna stop there. I'm gonna cut these berries and add them sporadically throughout, evenly, 3 on each side, basically. Now I have some more stems that I'm going to use to give an extra heightened effect at the top. And I'm adding the Easter eggs. Aren't they gorgeous? The little fuzzy eggs. I think this DIY turned out amazing. I'm so impressed with the way it looked. It is my centerpiece, you guys. I'm putting it in my kitchen because my kitchen is gold and white, and I only make DIYs if I can use the item, you guys. I don't make random DIYs, so I'll collab with you. If I can use it, I'll make it. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the lights out. If I could do anything different, I probably would purchase more gold flower wiring, and I would rewire the candle holders to give more wire texture to it, to the top of it. But other than that, I absolutely love it. I do think it's Pinterest worthy. What do you guys think? And I appreciate Marandah from Creative Living and Hannah's Daily Life for including me in this collab. Don't forget to check out their channels. Their links are in the description bar below. Love you guys. Bye.